Narweri ntuku ya maromba jantu BARINGIKIRE kumania na UNTU maitha BOMU ya mwaka 1998 na andi kamiti ya SENETI iria gutindika KURIWA kwa antu baba ni nyiritie UNTU BUBU na KUUGA IBABATI KURIWA na MPUI ni kenda uturo bwao bumarira ntuku inkai nthiru antu baba ni bakinyire mbere ya kamiti eu kenda gutariria mathina jara bethiritwo bagikurukira kwa miaka nkurukia 20.
The air is shattered by a massive explosion. A huge bomb has gone off outside the American embassy.
Ikarikare kwithukirwo kwa ndi ya Kenya mwaka wa 1998 ni gikundi kia ugaidi kia Al-Qaeda ni ikarikarilia liatigire antu 200 batete mioyo na bangi nkirukia 500 baguraritwo thuku. Kiumia tuthiete tariki 7 muthenya mwambirio ndino ekethirwe kiririkana bara bakwile kile ithukiro lili kwa miaka 25 mituku njeja bara bayinyirikire kile karikariri amwana bara bagurarirwo thuku jithiritwo ikiure thirikari ya ndi Amerika kubalia indi mpaka thaino gutikyo kiathithwa baingi bao bakirithagia bara bagwitukira mathina maingi hamuna kwithirwo ni baebilwe ngugeni ile barutaga.
I'm a widow as the result of the 1998 bomb blast. My husband, Charles Mugo Karanja, was working at the Ufundi during this time. I got ulcers. It was so painful. I got depression. I had no one to talk to. Only my children who are younger, who could not know what was going on. We pray that we will be able to be paid so as to be able to take care of our children. Since then tumekuwa na a lot of struggle, but Mungu ametusaidia, watoto wamemaliza form 4, but hawajaweza kwenda colleges because of money. We wish if Americans wanaweza to compensate, we will be able to educate our kids more and more. They don't want to associate with us. I have lost a lot of friends, a lot of my relatives, they don't want to associate with me. Wanaona kama niko na mkosi, nikiwatembelea naona kama nawaletea mkosi in their family. I'm left alone with my daughter. My daughter is undergoing depression.
Akialikire mambura maromba Kirinja ino Senator kaunti ya Uasin Gishu Jackson Mandago na lono mwa kamiti ya Seneti ya mwanyire thondeketwe gutigira njaino ni kulewa nendeni Amerika aluga thirikari ya Kenya onaene batire gutonyera na gutetheria Kenya baba barabethirito bakiangaika kwa miaka 25 mituku.
We thank God now that there is opportunity for us to pursue this matter with the American government and the American Senate. And our hope is that our Kenya government will also take a position on this matter. We also directly engage the American government so that Kenyans and other citizens of the world who have suffered under similar circumstances
mweno gusenetwa akaunti ya Machakos Agnes Kavindu Modhama na ule no mwekaliyitwa kamiti ino hamwe na seneta bangi ni bagitabagatiyera Kenya baba ni bakulewa ni ndeni Amerika kenda bamba gwitethia na gutethia njaji yao.
American government should compensate these people, and that money is there through the fund that was created in 2014 in America. The terrorist fund, that money is there and they should compensate these people. They are suffering, they've suffered enough.
We want to urge the American government to come through for these victims and the survivors, and we can evidently see that even dreams of children who have not been born have been hindered or shattered because of the circumstances they found themselves, which was not of their own making.
Kenyans who lost their lives, Kenyans who lost their jobs, Kenyans who lost, as a number of them, children to drop out of school. And as a representative of the people, we are here to look at that whole compensation.
This is a matter of goodwill and friendship of the two countries. It is not a matter to be proven beyond reasonable doubt or even a balance of probability. It is a matter of goodwill.
Kuma mji munene wa Nairobi, Mbita Anthony, Rangi wa Kathenya.